Hey everybody, how's it going? Mark here from ourbestidea.com, coming at you from the south of Thailand. Vid Chomper review and bonus. Why do you need it? What is it? Well, if you're into YouTube marketing, it's a cloud-based YouTube editor. You can use other videos beside YouTube, but it basically chomps various Creative Commons videos, only Creative Commons. It searches that out for you. I'll show you in a bit about that. Chomps them together or splices them together itself, and then it has a bunch of nice features. You can add some call to action, add some music, a couple of different things as you go. So you can take, 2 or 3, 4 videos, whatever you want. I suggest make your videos at least 10 minutes these days for YouTube, but however you want to do it, and then it'll chomp them all together and make one video, right? So you can make it as long as you want. You can go in and edit some of that out if the guy's got a call to action or something. I'll get into that in a bit. Vid Chomper is an excellent little cloud-based software program, and for the price it's great for what it is. The only thing is there's one major problem nobody else is telling you about, and YouTube will ban your channel if you use this improperly. So what's happening is last year YouTube implemented changes with its algorithm, so it started to see Creative Commons videos as duplicate content or repetitive content, mainly because people were abusing it, right? Just grabbing it, putting it up. Now this program does put them together, but they'll still be able to see it. This has been happening for quite a while with people that are putting up, all different kinds of videos, myself included. But hey, have no fear, Mark is here. I've included some bonuses that are custom bonuses that I'm going to give you for this. And one of them is how to get around the Creative Commons thing so they don't take you as spam, because that's what's happening. Actually, I'm just making some videos for you now about that, so be patient in there, because I can give you lots of information, or more if you want it, on how to do all that. And if you're interested, just click the link below and you'll be brought over to this page here to get my bonuses. You can check out what my bonuses are, and you can get those by clicking this button here, this red button that turns a nice green, and you'll head over to the sales page, and that way you can get through my link and get all these bonuses. But the important one, I'll be back to this in a second here. If we go down, the important one is this here, which is I'll show you how to make custom-made videos that you need to do to be able to use Creative Commons videos with Vid Chomper, with no worries about getting either demonetized, marked as spam, or even just out of the search engines. If they know it's duplicate content, they might give you a strike, they might not, but they won't put you in the search engine. That's what's been happening. And bonus number 2, multiplier. That's also by these makers of this software here, Vid Chomper, Brendan Mace and Juno Armstrong. And this one's by, I think, Juno, how he gets all top of his review videos all the time and stuff on YouTube through ads. And bonus number 3, the secret weapon. And you'll have to actually get in there because it's a secret. Check it out for yourself, but it's really good. And this here is Fugo Breakout. So it's another similar, but instead of using like a YouTube ads and stuff, this is about Instagram ads, and the same thing to get traffic to your videos and your website or whatever. And bonus number 5, we're going to give you access to 500 royalty-free background tracks that you can use with the videos. And so I kind of set this up for more serious guys. If you're just looking for the click button thing and do that, get your accounts banned or whatever you want to do, that's up to you. This is for people that are more long-term serious about establishing YouTube and making some money, either monetizing it or whatever you want to do with affiliate offers or whatever. You click my button, you go here, this expires. This is evergreen anyway, so I'll keep it running with my bonuses, but what you're going to do is you'll lose the early bird bonuses, which if we head over to the sales page here, this is monetization bonuses for the early adapters only. So let's see what we got here. We'll say anyway, eat up content videos in seconds and turn them into traffic machines in just 3 clicks. So you can come and check out the sales page yourself. But to let you know, it's like 13 hours at this time, so you can see wherever you hit it, what it's going to be, and essentially what you're going to do. If you head down to the bottom here, they got these bonuses here, which he explains, Brendan explains in this video very well. And you have guaranteed approval to the highest converting offers that they always put out. So that's, I believe, like now and in the future. So it's awesome. And they give you license right to one of their offers of your choice. So that means that you'll get 100% all the way through. They usually sell this for 197. So these are great early bird bonuses. And then they're going to give you some training on how to monetize that, which is in the inside your members area. So that expires soon. So head over to vidchomper.com and check that out for more. And you can, like I say, go through my link here to get there, and you'll get my bonuses with it if you choose to. And you're looking for how to properly set up the Creators Commons videos, as well as a few other things. Lots of little tips for you. And okay, so here we are. We're inside the members area. So you got your library, which is videos you've already made. I think they say they last for 30 days and they're deleted. So if you want to keep them, got to download them. And then here you create new videos, but in order to do that, you got to head over to settings, and you got to make sure that you connect your API key, and they run through that all through here, how to do all that. They've recently changed all that, but hopefully so far that'll stay connected and no problems. You can do that here, but you have to do that in order to be able to search. All right, so we're in the search videos here. I'll put in self-help, for instance, on there. These videos are better for a lot of the different niches, maybe like embarrassing niches and niches that you can do some keyword research. He's got some of that in the training. I don't know if it's for everybody or not, but if we do a search here, we'll see how it goes. It's now searching Creative Commons videos pretty quick, so that's great. And then you can check out, and you can actually view these, play them if you want. So if you wanted to see this guy's video, so what I would do too, if you're interested in using these kind of videos, is head over to YouTube and check it out on there. And sometimes you got to watch with these Creative Commons videos too, and one of the reasons why you might get a strike against you or something like that is the reason being, if you check down below on where it says show more, make sure it is Creative Commons, right? So then you do that by checking at the bottom here, and it says right here Creative Commons, right? But you got to give attribution and then reuse allowed, so you want to do that. Also, what's going on with that too, some people take these themselves and put it up as Creative Commons when they're not supposed to. So sometime you want to check the guy's channel and for more videos that he may be doing just for, you know, his own self-promotion thing. And so if we let that play, you see he's got like this up here. So there's ways around that. One of the things I'll show you in my bonuses, how to get rid of that kind of stuff or change it up. And this is a 12:43 minute video. So you would play it through, you think it's good, it's just a talking head guy. So you could add other videos in between that or whatever you'd like to do to kind of, you know, hold the attention. And he has a couple actually, so let's just grab that, we'll select that one. But it's long, so it might take a while to get this down. I'll pause the video if that's the case. And then he's got another one, see, motivational, 7 minutes. What else is there? There's a 2-minute one, so we'll select that one. There's another help, look at that, 30 minutes. So you can use parts of that and grab what you want, put it together. So we'll get another, here's a 44 one by the same guy, so that might be the front end of that. So that would be good, obviously, as the first one. Okay, so we selected all those. And this is just like a quick way through it. You would do a little more research on the keyword itself as well. So you want to get the high, that's when you're looking at this thing, how many views has the guy's got? It's got 10,000. Is that good or bad? On YouTube, it's, you know, kind of low, right? But it's okay too. So if you want to get a higher viewpoint, you can check some of these other videos. Okay, so then we grab this. Well done. Success redirecting. Okay, so actually that one come out first. You can rearrange these how you want, right? Check them out. Like I say, you can take off that. He's got a bunch of stuff on that. You want to, yeah. And so what I would recommend on this again is do some keyword research. There's I don't know if you know much keyword research stuff. Like I say in here, Brendan gives you a little bit of training on that if it's still available or whatever. And then what I would do is I'll just search something. I'll put like 3 self-help strategies to transform your life. So I'll take a bit of information from some of his titles, mix it up a little bit, but basically keep titles that people are looking for, right? And then so we would use that as like a long-term keyword, right? So join those up. This may take a few minutes, so I'll pause the video for you. All right, cool. That didn't take too long. And there we go. Got my title in there, so I can either download it, which I would recommend too, but I'll show you a couple of things you can do here. I guess, what do they say? Share. Okay, you can share it around if you wanted to do that right away, but obviously it'd be better to edit a little bit, right? So you can trim it. And so basically what you could do is take from the front end, you know, if you wanted a little bit off, depends on what the video is. It's great because you can see this here. It saves you a lot of time to do this initially. Okay, so just to let you know too, like in the trim thing, so if you hit that, then it's hard to get out of there. There's no back button or stuff like that. So what I would do is actually I would download this to another editor, which I'll show you in my bonus training. But you can also see it here, and you want to mark down, like, okay, so for instance there, you could mark down the time, and you could take that out of there. Actually, doesn't matter, because if you want to share your video, it doesn't give his information or anything, so it's fine. And as you can see, it's like total 1605, which is great. Let's see what he's got at the end here. Okay, so you might want to take that out or something like that, whatever, it's up to you on them ones, right? But we could say an outro, and right here where we go into this editing, it's a bit slow. You can add some music. I guess you can select and play it if you want. Upload your own. You gotta watch sometimes if you add stuff, it takes over the soundtrack. I'm not sure on this one. This is kind of cool, right? You got all the subscribe buttons. That's nice. Or upload your own. What do we got here? Outro 5 seconds. About 20 seconds on the end of what you get with your inside YouTube itself. So you could add that later anyways. Add the subscribe button and add the 20 seconds later in YouTube. So your end screens are called. Here, change the font, do whatever you want. So you can fool around with yourself if you choose to buy this, and you get this color. You can put different arrows here like I added here. You can move that around. Change the color, do whatever you want, preview it. Pretty cool. And then you would render it. Okay, so that's rendering, so that takes a while. You'll find it in my videos later. I would download it, and like I say, for me personally, I would add stuff more later in a better editor, a faster editor. I would choose that for myself. I use a couple. There's some free ones out there. I can give you ideas of that. But let's just go for now. What else is in here? We'll go back to the sales page and see what we get. So we know it's a cloud-based software, so you don't have to download anything for your computer. It says in 60 seconds or less, and obviously you've seen it takes a lot longer to render stuff and do things. But you could do short videos and grab it, so it's not really, you know, it's up to you on that one. I prefer to do a little bit better, because you'll get more traffic from YouTube and do keyword research and stuff. Anyway, the front end is $22.95. That's going to be going up, I think, $5. There's a discount at the moment on the sales page. What you get in there, you get the software I've been showing you, and I think you get some training videos. They're pretty well included with that. And the only problem is with that, I believe it's like 20 videos a month or something that you can download, upload, which is actually like, you know, if you do like one a day, you know, 5 days a week. So there's like, you can do, you know, a really good video that'll give you traffic. If you wanted to like spam it out or put out lots more, or have other people doing it. I'm not sure how that works, because you need to use the API key, but that would be the upgrade number 1. You get unlimited on that. And then they've got this upgrade to Big Chomp. So we get a Big Chomp. So commissions, they got professional high-ticket promos to all your videos. So I guess they've got their own stuff that you can add into that. So that's cool. And unlimited video views. I'm not really sure what that one is, but you can see on this, if you buy it, you'll see it on the upsells. And then max bundle, you get every product they've ever released online and all the tools and all that. And high ticket. Yeah, you get the high ticket group coaching and all that. I think the unlimited video views is like they give you you can put your own pixel on their sales pages, so it's like traffic. So it's not with your videos, it's like traffic to the sales page or something, where you're going to get that, because that's what they've done on their other products. So I believe that's that one. And then like license rights to sell Vid Chomper as your own product. That's pretty good for $97. So you get to keep all the upsells and all that yourself. I guess 100% of that. You got a few downsells there. You can look, this is on my bonus page, and you can look more of a demo by Brendan Mace there. Look at that t-shirt. Okay, and then you just, like I say, click on here to get your copy. You'll go to the sales page, but that'll give you your bonuses and how you get them. There's your bonuses quick here. One more time. And how you get them is at the end. You can get it through this affiliate access affiliate bonus on the Warrior Plus page when you go down there. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed my Vid Chomper review and my bonuses. If you're into that and you want to take it a little further and have time, it's like anything, it takes a little bit of work, but Vid Chomper does save you a lot of time and the download and searching all the videos. You got to do a little bit extra research for yourself if you're serious about making money, and that's what it's all about. Let's make some money, and we'll see you soon. Mark, ourbestidea.com, coming at you from the south of Thailand. Over and out. If you enjoyed this Vid Chomper review, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, or add a comment. Let me know. Good luck.